After using the HOROW T38P Smart Toilet for a while, I can confidently say it's not just an appliance. It's an upgrade in quality of life. No more splashing, no more touching dirty handles, no more scrubbing stains or using harsh cleaners. The foam shield keeps things fresh, the bidet ensures personal hygiene, and the automated functions makes the entire process touch-free and effortless. And what makes it even better is that HOROW stands behind their product. They are giving a 1-year warranty and a lifetime after-sales support, so you know it's built to last. It's one of those products that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. It's hygienic, efficient, and intelligently designed to make your day-to-day routine feel cleaner, simpler, and more comfortable. So if you've been on the fence about switching from a traditional toilet to a smart one, this is your sign. Because once you experience the HOROW T38P with its foam shield splash protection, better water efficiency, and reduced cleaning frequency, you will understand why so many people call it a life-changing upgrade.